Default assigns a real variable's value only if it hasn't already been set, letting a genuine library ship configurable defaults. In this video, you'll override a real default value. This real default value is only genuinely applied if $border radius hasn't already been defined elsewhere first. Setting $border radius before @use genuinely overrides the library's default. The library's own default line is skipped. Default genuinely assigns a variable's value only if it isn't already set. A consuming project can override a real library's default by setting the variable first. This is the real, standard pattern for configurable SCSS libraries and design systems. Add default to a real variable in a shared partial and override it from another file. Ready to store real structured key value data directly in SCSS.